Hi. Welcome again to KKY Maths Clinic. Okay, today we are on the second part of logarithms. Logarithms 2. I believe you very much understand and enjoyed the first video on logarithms. Today we are moving forward. Don't forget that logarithm expresses the number a power is raised to. Okay, that's why we always have us talking about powers or indices when we do logarithms. Okay, very quickly, I want to show you something. I believe you know that the number 25 is the same thing as 5 raised to the power of 2. Now, I need to remind you that 25 raised to the power of 1 over 2 is also 5. Ooh, this is interesting. Let's look at something else. Okay, 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 3, right? So it means 8 raised to the power of 1 over 3 is equal to 2. Okay, just in case you didn't get me, let's look at a few more. We know that 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. So it means that 27, we all know that 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. So 3 itself is the same thing as 27 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Just like 10 is the same thing as 100 raised to the power of 1 over 2. That's something to remind you what you did on indices so we can move forward with today's work. Please come with me. Like we learned before, log 16 base 2 is the same thing as log 2 raised to the power of 4 base 2. Base and argument are the same. Power is my answer, that is 4. Now if I have log 2 base 16, this is the same thing as the argument has to be a power of the base. So I have log 16 raised to the power of 1 over 4 base 16. Base and argument are the same. The power is my answer, 1 over 4. Okay, let's take some clearer examples to help us understand. Log 16 base 4. This is log 4 raised to the power of 2 base 4. Base and argument are the same. The power becomes my answer, 2. Okay. Now log 5 base 25. I have this as log 5 is the same thing as 25 raised to the power of 1 over 2 base 25. Base and arguments are the same. The answer is 1 over 2. Quite interesting. Yeah, I believe. Okay, we have log 3 base 81. So 3 is the same thing as 81 raised to the power of 1 over 4. We still have our base 81. Base and arguments are the same. My answer is 1 over 4. Let's take two more examples. Log 1 base 5. So we have this as log 5 raised to the power of 0 base 5. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Don't forget that. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So base and argument are the same. My answer is 0. Last example, follow me. Log 1 base 3. Okay, I have to make my argument a power of the base. So this is log 3 raised to the power 0 base 3. 1 is still the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 0. Base and argument are the same. My answer is 0. A general rule, the logarithm of 1 is always 0. Log 1 base whatever number is always 0. because any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. I believe you enjoyed following this video. Please like, make your comments, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you so much.